Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a New York cheesecake mukbang. Now I'm so excited. My chocolate cake, was it chocolate cake I did? Yeah, that went down a storm with you guys. So I've got the New York cheesecake, and I also have some thick double cream as well to put, I don't know, on top. Or we're gonna have some fun today, guys. It's gonna be so fun. I also have some of these chocolate sauces from the other cake, and we're going to put it on top of the cake, I think. I don't know, we're going to do something. So I'm really excited. Look at the colour of that ice. It looks like different colours, that bit of ice. Can you see? It's like a rainbow. How weird. I've got my water because I'm going to be... thirsty because it's sweet. So let's get into the cake. Where's my knife gone? Yeah. So what should we do first? Should we decorate it first? What I'm going to do, I'm going to make this extra decadent. We're going to add some cream. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. Oh no, it's gone on the side. Let's pretend we didn't see that, guys. Let's put it on the side. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. And I added some sugar on the cream as well because I like sugary, thick cream. Heavy cream, you call it in America. Oh God. Too amazing. So this is a sweet surprise. I love doing sweet. And we're going to add some, I want to add some strawberry. Shall we do a love heart or shall we do, let's do this. Oh my God. Wow. And should we do some chocolate as well? This is amazing. Okay. Let's do some chocolate the other side of it. This is really thick to get out though. Yes, look at that. Can you see, guys? Whoa. So this is a kind of deluxe cheesecake. Let's cut into the cake, guys. So, oh my God, this is going to be insane. Ooh, wow, look at that. Look at that. So, let's do it, guys. So this is the first bite. Would you like the first bite? Of course you would. Look at this. Oh my God. What do you think, guys? Let's have a bite. Wow. This is incredible. The cream makes it. It's so thick. Insane. And I love the strawberry. So, how is everyone today? I love cheesecake. I really do. It's the best. Really liking the strawberry on top. Just go mad with it. The cream. Oh my God. Delectable, guys. This is probably not for you if you're if you don't like if you're lactose intolerant, wouldn't recommend. But guys, it's so easy to make cheesecake. It's just like it's cream cheese, digestives, and cream, or is it? This is amazing, guys. Should I have this mammoth bite? Should I go for it? Can you see? Let's go for it and then we'll chat. Ooh. Yummy. So, I hope everyone is enjoying my videos. Oh, that was incredible, guys. I love cheesecake. So, yeah. Let's have another bite, another slice. Ooh. Very, very, like, can you see the width of it? What's your favourite, I didn't bit my mouth, sweet item? Do you like chocolate? Do you like cheesecake? Like, what's your favourite kind of item? So guys, I've been on my own this past day. So weird, because my boyfriend, he's gone away on a trip, a business trip, and I'm on my own, and I don't like, I don't know what it is. Have you ever felt like this? Like, I like having him here. The strawberry is amazing, guys. It's really, really good. I just like having him here because even if we argue or we don't get on, that's amazing. I mean, we've been together for nearly 3 years now, and yeah, we've had our ups and downs, but it's just weird being on my own. Like, he can be in the bedroom, or I can be in the bedroom, or we don't have to be together. And it's just the fact that I know he's in this, you know, he's safe with me. It's weird. So I've kind of been on my own. I'm really trying. The camera keeps moving, it's annoying me. The only good thing about it is you can't tell me off if I'm being a mess. I'm quite messy. So yeah, it's just like, I don't know. I suppose it's good for people to have kind of time apart, you know. It keeps things kind of fresh. I'm going to have just a bit more because I'm getting really full. It keeps things fresh, I think. And It just makes you appreciate one another. It's very weird. So yeah, at least, you know. But I wouldn't like to live on my own. I don't think I would. I don't know. I'm so used to living with someone. I have lived on my own. I mean, my mum kicked me out of my house and I was, well, not kicked me, but I kind of drove her to it because I was a terror. I'd hit a stage where I just was going mad and I was drinking, going out. My mum couldn't handle it. I was a nightmare, guys. And so we just kind of, I was 23 when I moved out of my house. And I was in and out of houses. And 26, was I 26 or 25? 26 when I met my partner, Chris. And yeah, 28 now. It's nearly going to be 3 years. Crazy. 3 years in April. Man, it's so crazy. Oh, I'm feeling sick now. I've eaten too much. Can you see my lipstick all over the... Oh, I feel a bit sick. But that was incredible, guys. So it just feels a bit like, yeah, I don't know. But I do think before anyone moves out, my battery was low, my camera. So I was thinking, oh my God, what if it's not recording? But it has. So yeah, what was I even saying, guys? So yeah, I think everyone should experience moving out. Everyone should experience moving out. Everyone should experience being, you know, being independent and like, but, you know, if there's any kids watching me, being a grown-up is hard work. It's not easy, and it's just, ow. Sorry, I've got a very bad itch on my leg. It's not easy. It's hard work, and it takes a lot of kind of dedication. Fruit nachos, what are those? Create imaginative sweet treats anytime. Milkshakes, muffins, pancakes, cheesecakes, and fruit nachos. What are fruit nachos, guys? Do you know what fruit nachos are? Oh, let's Google that. Yeah, it's crazy. So yeah, I know some people don't like to be single. Some people don't like it. Some people have to be with someone. Like, I've never been like that. Like, I've always been quite independent. I do like my own company. I do. Some people are really kind of like, they feel uncomfortable when they aren't with someone, or they're on their own, or they feel like they don't have anyone there. And I'm not like that. Like, in this case, I am slightly, because I don't know. It's just because, like, guys don't like clingy. Guys don't like people who are clingy. I think if I'd have been clingy when I got with my boyfriend, I wouldn't have survived. I think being clingy to a man is the worst thing you can do. Like, I used to be clingy. Like, I remember I used to stop myself from I was telling this to Cosmic Carrie, actually. She's my really good friend. I love her. So I was telling her that I used to really I used to go through a bad patch with guys, you know, I used to get really attached and then I used to block them because I couldn't handle the fact that I was getting like attached to them. So I just blocked them out of my life. I mean, how crazy is that? Like, I had a lot of trouble with guys, a lot of trust issues as well. So when my boyfriend came along and I felt like I was really still quite damaged from it all, you know, it took me a while to kind of get, I think trust, you know, I have trust in him, but I think trust for me is something that I find difficult to do with anyone. I do find that I live in this kind of motto where you get, you know, you live for you and people are going to fuck you over, because people 9 times out of 10 do. You know, you've only got you and yourself and I by Beyonce. You know, you do. And it's like, you come into the world alone and you die alone. Like, that's what happens. You know, you have this is you and your own self. But then being like that is kind of a negative because it doesn't make you appreciate. It's kind of a lonely way to be, but I don't know, guys. I think I'm rambling on a bit. But I do think everyone has got someone everyone has destined to be with someone, and that's the way it is. Whether we find them at 80, we find them at 16, 25, 30, we're all destined to be with someone. And, but then again, some people don't need someone, you know, some people don't need a boyfriend. You need in life is yourself. That's all I have to say. As long as you love yourself, you support yourself, you are happy with yourself, everything else will fall in place. And that's what happened with me, you know. I wasn't expecting it. I was wanting to change though. I was ready to change because I just lived this horrible life of just going out, having a drink, being used by men, and it was just the same. It was horrible. But all it takes is one man, like my beautiful boyfriend. All it takes is one man, my nail, ow, to change everything for you. You know, it really does. And it will happen, and it does happen. So I've gone on a bit of a tangent there, guys, but it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, he taught me a different life. He taught me a beautiful life. He taught me you don't have to go out and drink to have a good time. You can just go you can just go out to the movies, or you can go for a meal, or go for a walk, which I don't like to do. Like, ugh, I couldn't think of anything worse. Like, he always says to me, would you like to go for a walk? I just think it's so boring. I don't like to walk. It's really bad. So yeah, guys, you know, I suppose what I'm saying is, the moral of the story is, enjoy your time alone. I mean, I'll be okay. It's the first day, you know, I'll adjust. I'm going to go for a couple of days, or 3 days. So enjoy your me time and enjoy yourself, and everything else will fall into place. It really will, guys. So I'm going to go now. Thank you so much for watching. I feel like I'm in a sugar coma now. So I'll probably have I'll probably fall asleep in an hour. You know, when you kind of come down off the sugar. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Turn the notification, I can't speak. Turn the notification bell on to be notified when the next upload. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.